Welcome back, everyone. In this tutorial we are going to talk about white spaces. So as you can see here, if I move this bar all the way over here, the code looks like this, and yet the code in the output doesn't really change. So if I move it back over here, again, nothing changes. If you can look at this, there is some space, which is what we call white space, and it doesn't really matter, right? There is no change in the code. Okay, now for the most part, sometimes, I can add some space here. It doesn't really matter. I can go ahead and delete this, and again, it doesn't really matter because this is what we call the white space. And how much white space you have in your code is completely up to you. So, for example, lots of people don't like having spaces at all. And some people use it just like a paragraph. They only take out ideas. So that actually looks a little bit better. I generally like less white space personally, but sometimes it can get a little cluttered. I like indenting more than white space. But as you can see here, I'm just going to take out all the white space, and you can see that the code pretty much stays the same. Okay? And this is a really important concept to learn because, for example, if we put in, something like these equal signs, some people like having a having this, a space before or after the equal sign, and some people don't. Some people do this. Personally, I tend to like this a little bit better. I don't know what it is, but it just makes it look a little bit better. Now, sometimes I actually do go and format my code like this, and lots of programmers do. All right? So white spaces are an important part of programming, and it's important to know what they are and how important they are, even though they're actually nothing. Okay? I'll see you guys next.